Greetings, RC Bro here. Today we're going to do an upgrade on a vehicle that I highly recommend for your first car if you don't have one already. It's the ZLL SG116 Beast Max. I make two versions to make a brush and a brushless version. It's a 1/16th vehicle, and one of the reasons why I recommend it and why I enjoy it is because it just runs so well.
Very fast. Very easy to control too. Wow, impressive. Very impressive. It's fast and it just goes real smooth.
It has a lot of features that a lot of cars for the same class don't have. Number one, it has the steel support bar that goes across and makes the chassis super firm. Number two, in the suspension, it has steel, what they call hubs. Some people call these knuckles, I believe, but they're steel. And I don't think I've seen that in any other, at least none of my cars. Especially in the low end, they're steel all the way around. It has the constant velocity or CV joints in the front. Not in the back, but you still got those steel hubs. And it's 35 amp, and it has a 3-wire servo. So if you ever decided to upgrade it, you could keep the same servo. And you might be able to run it on 3S, but I wouldn't because it runs very well on 2S. And it has a 2840 motor, and it's all around good vehicle, and it just handles really good. The only thing I don't like about it, and if you type this vehicle in and look at other RC reviews, we all pretty much have the same opinion. We're surprised why they did all this to make it such a nice vehicle and give it crummy shocks. So what I mean by crummy shocks, they're just bouncy. So if I drop it, it just bounces all over the place. So that's not cool. Despite the bounciness of it, it runs really well. However, I don't like my cars being bouncy like that. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to upgrade the shock absorbers. I went on to Banggood and got these shocks, and they're oil filled shocks, so they should make a lot of difference in how the car handles. When I bought the shocks, I thought, if you look closely at them, the shocks are metal caps, metal bottom cap, but it's plastic on the inside. And the picture that they had on it was a full metal shock. So it's a little disappointing that I got plastic, but it is definitely better than these shocks, which are plastic through and through. Okay, so here we are with the upgraded shocks. That was a quick and easy upgrade, and I think you would agree it even looks better with the oversized, larger red shocks. It's got larger springs, and it's a larger shock. I was a little concerned because I thought I was going to have a clearance problem in the back here, because if you look here, the springs are very close, maybe just slightly rubbing the control arms here. But when you work the wheels, they're fine. No, I don't hear any scraping or anything. So, and what's the results? See that again? No bounce. Big difference, big difference. So, can't wait to run it. And thanks for watching this brief video. RC Bro out.